This is our ingredients. We have 3 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 melted butter, 2 eggs, diced cheese, diced ham, and lastly 1/4 cup of water. First, we must take a whisk on our flour so that all the lumps will be removed. Now let us add our dry ingredients, the salt and the brown sugar, and then mix it well. After mixing, create a crater on the middle of the flour so that we can put all the liquid ingredients in the middle. Now let us put our 2 eggs, and after it, let's add the melted butter. Now let us mix it using a rubber scraper. Now let us add the water. Then mix it. After a long kneading using the rubber scraper, now let us transfer it in a clean flat surface and start kneading. But first, let us see if our hands is clean. I already knead my dough more than 5 minutes so that I can get the texture of the dough. After kneading the dough, now let us transfer it in a clean grease bowl. Then cover it with a plastic wrap or a clean towel. After covering it with a plastic wrap, now let us take rest for at least 30 to 45 minutes. After it rests, let us knead it just a minute, then start rolling. First, we must pour a flour in the flat surface so that the dough will not be stick. Then, if you have rolling pin, use it. But for now, I will use a clean bottle. Then start rolling. After rolling the dough, now let us shape it in a circle for our empanada. Just repeat the process until done. Now we are here to put the fillings on our empanada. Now, just put the ham and the cheese. Then covered it. Then close the empanada so that it will not be open when we fried it. Now just repeat the process until done. Make sure that our empanada are closed. This is our homemade empanada. When it comes to frying, you must preheat the oil before frying. Now let us put our empanada. After frying our empanada, you must prepare a plate with a tissue paper so that all the excess oil will be removed. We can now remove our empanada when it's turned color golden brown. Then just repeat the process until done. And this is our homemade empanada.